Skoda will reveal top-end L&K version of the Kodiaq at the upcoming Geneva Motor Show. The top L&K Kodiaq will get additional features both inside and outside. On the inside, the Kodiaq L&K will get chrome treatment on the grille, LED headlamps, new 19-inch alloy wheels and a tweaked rear bumper. On the inside, the car gets black theme instrument console, leather upholstery, Canton sound system, a power adjustable driver's seat, automatic wipers, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror and ambient lighting. The car will also get new engine options with a 150 HP 1.5-litre turbo-petrol, an updated 190 HP 2.0-litre petrol and a 2.0-litre diesel engine in 150 HP and 190 HP state-soft fuel. All the engines will be mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox.